Yo, what's up, y'all? Hey, today we're gonna make a quick video. I don't know how quick it's gonna be, but basically just wanted to go through all of my Warhammer stuff, because why not? So let me just show you my Warhammer collection. I got everything. I don't know what I'm saying. I use my drawer, my dresser, as like a desktop kind of thing to just like build and paint sometimes, most of the time. And then this shelf that I have here, I got it for free from a friend. They were just trying to sell it, couldn't sell it at a garage sale, so then they just gave it to me. I saw it, I was like, oh, that's cool. They're like, you want it? I was like, sure. And then they gave it to me, so I took it. Yeah, let me just show you and I'll stop talking, but also keep talking. All right, so this is what I got right now. It's a little messy in my opinion, just because I am actually going through some of my stuff and trying to organize it a little bit more. But this is what I got so far. And yeah, let's just run down this setup first. So I do have a light that is connected. It's a ring light. The ring light is on this this mount that is mounted to the side. The switch is there. And then I also have this here to move around and film, take photos, whatnot. I have this white sheet, got it from the Dollar Tree, and it's basically so that I have this look a little nicer. Obviously the lights are not on, so it kind of adds. Yeah, there's a lot of random stuff here just because once again I was cleaning. And if you follow me on Instagram, and you can see that I've been posting photos of this little dude. Just recently built him. Yeah, and a couple of things we got here. Some plastic glue. Last video I think I called it cement glue. Definitely not cement glue. Magnets, because orcs have a ton of just weapons. And yeah, super glue, some paintbrushes, some stuff, just a little tray right there with dice. Not a tray, it's more like, yeah, anyways. Okay, cool. And then here's like the bulk of things. Let's start from the bottom to the top. So this came in the, what is it? Combat Patrol box for the Space Marines. So still in the process of painting. I already see a little bit of dust forming, so that tells me that I actually haven't finished that. I base coated, then did the silver, but there's still a lot of work to be done. Also, the Tyranid flying dude. Yeah, still don't know the names for these guys. But yeah, it's a Tyranid guy. This right here is Space Shuttle Man. So that's cool, that's cool. And then I have another little Tyranid. What is that? Parasite of Mortex. So that's there. As I work my way down, this is my Necron army. It's mostly finished. There's still a couple of things that I need to do, but this is pretty much all of it. This right here was 3D printed. Purchased this on Amazon, made these little bases. Yeah, so that's the Necron army that I got. Moving down, this is my Space Marine army that I got going on. Same thing, bought these. This is 3D printed. These dudes I still haven't finished painting yet. There's still a couple little tweaks I want to do with these guys, but for the most part they are done. And then I work my way down. So I've been working on tyranids lately, and orcs. Spoilers, I guess. Yeah, I've been working on orcs, but these are the tyranid. So this is the color scheme that I'm going for right here. Definitely not done with those dudes, but there's a lot. It's just a lot of tyranids. Some dice, random dice, a pen, random dice, a pen, just some random like 3D printed stuff that I bought online. This was just like bulk stuff that came with what I actually bought. These are some of the orcs that I've been painting, that I've been building. There's dust here, I do know that, I do see that. I am cleaning, so just throw that out there. But these are some of the orcs that I've been building, I've been painting. There's some orc boys right there. We got some more Tyranid stuff right there. Some paint, this is the paint I'm actually using for the Tyranid. Yep. As I work my way down, let me actually grab a chair. Cool. As I work my way down, I have this magnet here that is used to just know the basically negative and positive for magnets when I am using magnets. But inside this shelf that I got from Ross, we got a couple of things in here. So we have just a couple of different tufts, as they're called. A couple of different tufts. There's just some extra, just loose pieces for the necrons. We got all my brushes in there. We just have like some mini rocks that I've picked up. We got some treated, what is it? Coffee grounds. We have some bigger rocks. I honestly don't know why this is in that one, but under that we got some transfer sheets. Probably should find a different place with transfer sheets. And then we have these little dudes that basically just hold whatever. So we'll put that to the side. So that's the first level. For the second level, this one is a little less organized, hence why I'm cleaning and organizing things. But we got some cutters. We got this little thing that I got off of Amazon. I'm not gonna take everything out, but basically it's like these nail like stuff for like cutting nails and stuff like that. But like they advertised it as like tools to use for miniature building, but they work. So yep. And then I use this right here for terrain. So add like a little bit of bushes to the terrain. I bought this because I wanted to like build out bases and maybe try to sell them. And then we just got a bunch of gloves here. Oh, some random trash. Bunch of gloves. Yeah, bunch of gloves. These were some just sponges that I found that I was using for like just terrain to add a little bit of like texture to it. And then I have two of these bad boys. This one was given to me by a dear friend of mine, so I got that. We got yeah, just a lot of paints. I'm not gonna go through all the paints that I have because it's definitely it's relatively a lot. Here we have some Elmer's glue. We have just like some black matte acrylic paint. We have some primer right there, and then another like gray primer right there. I have 2 more or maybe 3 more downstairs. I might have another one actually somewhere. But yeah, so this one has all the paints usually. So the idea was paints in this one and then brushes in that one. So I'll go ahead and put this back. From there we go to the codexes. So the codex, I have 4 codex. I definitely want to get at least 1 more army, and that is that's, you know what, we'll keep that a secret, the other army I want to get. But we got 4 codexes here. We got the mini rule book, and then this, I basically just cut this out from the recruit because I liked how it looked. Might throw that away, but it's there. It might get thrown away. Moving my way downtown. We have just the boxes of the combat patrols. This one is gonna be coming out in a video soon. So yeah, stick around for that. Comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see that one. Okay, cool. This is the whole bunch of terrain that I have. Yeah, I mean, I can show you some of the terrain in another video. Just some terrain. This we've built out. Some of these we have not, but yeah. All right, working my way over onto this side. Pokemon, let's get rid of that. So a friend gave me this, and they were trying to get into Warhammer, but for some reasons that will not be shared. They did not. So they gifted me this, which is awesome. So I definitely will take it. So that needs to get organized as well. Here are some of the terrain that I got. This actually is my cats. What are you doing? Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this. Watch, oh, she sees it, she sees it, she sees it. Oh, she wants it, she wants it, and whoop. Wow, okay, cool. So this is just some of the terrain that I have. I'll just show you some. I won't show you guys all of it. Left this one open on purpose, but I had a friend do like a little, just some design graffiti. I painted it, and then I asked him if he could just like hit it up with just some random stuff. So I'll show you that. Yeah, cool. Just some different terrain. We have rulers. So that needs to be organized. What's this? Oh, just a bunch of dice in there. Some of this stuff is for D&D, so I won't talk about that. This is just the outskirt box. I use it just to paint. This is some terrain that I was trying to build. We'll share that in another video. I went and I bought aquarium rocks just to kind of add some detailing to the terrain when we build it out. So that's pretty cool. And then I think that's pretty much in terms of terrain and things like that. Moving to the last section is basically things that I'm still either building or that I just have, I'm sitting on. So that still needs to be built. That still needs to be built. The knobs I started building, they're right there. So I need to finish those up. I guess that won't be in here. Super excited to build this. Super excited for that. The boys, I barely have started the boys. So that's exciting. Bought this in one of our videos that we made, I think a couple of days, or technically a couple weeks ago. Did you just bite me, dude? What the heck was that? Yeah, and then from here, so a couple of the stuff, my friend gave me this. Thank you, Jimmy. So he gave me this. Once again, he was trying to get into Warhammer, but didn't. And he gifted me these, which is super awesome. So I kind of want to do some kit bashing with this. I don't know just yet. But I also want, okay, you know what, dude? Okay, get out of here. Yeah, so I kind of want to do some kit bashing, but at the same time, I think I just want to build this in honor of my friend. So that's that. We'll put that in later. Bought this, dude, because it looks super dope. And definitely want to, I've been holding on to this for like 2 months already. But this needs to get built as well. This one we bought in one of our videos. Still haven't even opened it yet. Definitely need to get into that. Let's see. And then we have, so my friend Jimmy gave me this as well. He really liked the Black Templars, which was pretty cool. So he was starting to buy a couple of that. Some Black Templars, which is cool. And then the last is these helmets right here, some Space Marines. So a lot of this hasn't been opened yet, hasn't been opened, but that's pretty much everything I got right now, and I'm gonna organize that, all of this, off camera, but yeah. All right, my friends, well, that's pretty much everything that I have, that I'm working on. There's definitely still a lot more I'm probably gonna buy over time, but yeah, hey, if you enjoyed this video just to see what I got, and you wanna see how much more I'm gonna buy, or just the builds, the paint jobs, all that stuff, subscribe. If not, what army should I build? Check this cat out. I don't know what it is, but she just loves being in boxes. She just loves boxes. It's the funniest thing ever. I mean, she's a cat. What do you expect? But yeah, so, I mean, we're pretty much done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, awesome. If you didn't, sorry, man. I tried. Have a good one, y'all. Cheers.